Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different in React.js. And guys, today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome dynamic and state of the art React random advice generator app. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome dynamic and state of the art React random advice generator using React.js and design as well. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the feature, all the functionality of the example as well. Okay, so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn and today what we are going to create in this video, in this session. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely React.js and design as well. Okay, so here we can see the heading also, random advice generator app in React. Okay, yes guys, you read that right. Today in this video, in this session, I'm going to explain you, I'm going to teach you that how we can create an awesome dynamic and state of the art random advice generator app in React.js and design as well. Okay, so guys, it has got a lot of new feature, a lot of dynamic and awesome feature as well. Okay, so guys, let me just clear you one thing very important. Guys, this video have been created for new learner in React.js in 2025, and if you are a new learner and if you want to learn React.js in 2025, then guys, this video is definitely for you. You should definitely watch the entire video till last. Okay, and this video is very beginner friendly as well. Okay, so guys, in this video, in this session, we are also going to learn that what is use state hook, okay, what is use effect hook, and how to use, okay, state variable, and how to update the state variable using the state updater function in this video, in this session. Okay, and how we are going to call the API on click event in this video, in this session as well. Okay, so so this is just the advice. So like it's not in my hand. Okay, so you will be able to see some different things as well. Okay, but this is completely an API. Okay, so I'm fetching each and everything from the external API, from the third party API. Okay, so in this video, in this session, this is also a great advantage for you, as a beginner, as a new learner of React.js. Then you are also going to learn that how we are going to fetch the external API. Okay, how we are going to interact with the external or the third party API in this video, in this session. Okay, using the state variable and using the state updater function as well. Okay, so guys, this video is completely for beginners in React.js, and if you are learning React.js in 2025, then you should definitely watch the entire video very patiently and very calmly and very carefully as well. Okay, because we have got a lot of things, a lot of new things to learn from this video, from this session. Okay, so guys, now let me just explain all the feature, all the functionality to you as well. Okay, so as you can read this, this is the random advice generator app in React. Okay, and here we can see the view favorites. Okay, as of now we don't have any favorite. Okay, so just click the button view favorites. Okay, so as of now we can see here no favorites, okay, saved yet. Okay, so in order to see the saved, okay, favorite list, we have to save at least like one item in our favorite list. Okay, so that's why we can see here the heading also, or the text, no favorites saved yet. Okay, so just go back to the advice. So guys, this is the advice. Okay, so guys, and below we can see here two buttons also, get the new advice and save to favorite. Okay, so guys, every time you will click this button, get okay new advice, you are going to fetch, you are going to see a new advice, okay, every time. Okay, and by clicking this button save to favorites, you are going to save that particular advice to your uh, favorite list as well. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to save this okay advice. The quieter you become, the more you can hear. Okay, so I'm going to save this first advice in our favorite list. Okay, so we have to click this button save to favorites in order to save any advice in our favorite list. Okay, so I'm going to save this now by clicking this button save to favorite. Okay, so hit it now. You can see here save to favorites. Okay, the quieter you become, the more you can hear has been added to your favorites. Okay, so guys, you can see here I have just shown here the great and awesome and dynamic notification also, and I have just shown the the advice also in the notification. Okay, the you will be able to see the same advice here also in the notification. The I mean the advice you have saved from here. Okay, so that's why we can see here the quieter you become, the more you can hear has been added to your favorites. Okay, so this is the notification. I have used it. I have used this notification from the Ant Design UI library. Okay, so Ant Design is very famous. Okay, I'll explain you what is Ant Design all about. Okay, in the next video, in the next session. Okay, so you can see here this is the notification. Okay, and it says save to favorite. Okay, the quieter you become, the more you can hear has been added to your favorites. Okay, so we can dismiss this notification by clicking this icon. Okay, so guys, now you can see here now the button text also changes to save to favorite. I want to remove it. Okay, remove it. Okay, it is asking your advice have been now saved to favorite, do you want to remove it? Okay, so we can see here we can also remove the saved advice, okay, from this button itself. Okay, so I'm going to remove okay, so you can see here as of now we have got here one okay item in our favorite list. Okay, but I'm going to remove the item we have just saved. Okay, so I'm going to remove it by clicking this button remove it. Okay, save to favorites, remove it. Okay, so hit it now to remove it. You can see here removed. Okay, from favorites. Okay, the quieter you become, the more you can hear has been removed from your favorites. Okay, and you can see here now again the button text changed to save to favorite, and you can see here we don't have any item saved in our favorite list. Okay, so let me just save this. Okay, this same okay advice, the quieter you become, the more you can hear to the favorite list. Okay, so we have to hit this button save to favorite list in order to save any advice into our favorite list. Okay, so hit it now, save to favorites. You can see here the same notification also now popped up. Okay, and it says save to favorite, the quieter you become, the more you can hear has been added to your favorite. Okay, this is it, so close this. Okay, and just now I'm going to see the saved favorite list by clicking this button view favorites. Okay, so hit it now. You can see here saved advice. Okay, the quieter you become, the more you can hear has been saved already. And you can see here here we have I have just shown here the tooltip also, and in the tooltip also I have just shown the same advice. Okay, and you can see here by clicking this okay broken heart, we can remove the saved okay advice from our saved okay list. Okay, from our favorite saved list. Okay, so just click this button or the broken heart icon to remove this advice from this saved favorite list. Okay, so I'm going to do that now, so hit it now. See, it's removed. You can see here advice removed, the quieter you become, the more you can hear is removed from your favorites. Okay, so I have just shown the notification when we have when we have saved, okay, any advice, any random advice in our saved favorite list. And whenever we will remove the advice, okay, any advice from our saved favorite list, I have just also shown the notification indicating or alerting the user that your advice have been removed from your saved favorite list. Okay, this is it. We can remove this advice or the notification by clicking this cross icon. So click it, okay, and you can see here no favorites saved yet. Okay, so we should have at least one element in our saved favorite list in order to see it. Okay, otherwise we will see this text no favorites saved yet. Okay, so go back to the advice by clicking this button, back to advice. So now I'm going to get the new advice. Okay, so you can see here I have just shown the loading or the loader spinner as well. Okay, so identify sources of happiness. Okay, so this is quite nice advice. I'm going to save this also. So save this, it's saved now. We can see the notification also. So get the new advice. So rule number one, try not to die. Rule number two, don't be a dick. Okay, so just save this to also favorite, save it now. So you can see here we have got here two item in our saved favorite list. Okay, and dynamically also we are just updating the number. Okay, so just get the new advice. If you have like a grandparents or parents, talk to them more, ask them about their life experiences. Okay, this is a great advice. Okay, we should quite often do this with our grandparents or with our parent. Okay, guys, we are very busy, okay, in our personal life, in our mobile. Okay, we have been we are quite busy, okay, with our phone. Okay, like we are spending 10 to 8 hours of a day okay, with our mobile phones. Okay, this is a very bad idea, and this is a very, okay, deteriorating, okay, idea for your life, for your time. Okay, we should, guys, okay, avoid, okay, using the phone as much as possible. Okay, and we should definitely do this, okay, advice with our grandparents or with our parents. Okay, so let me just read this advice for you also, so that you can just do this with your grandparent or with your parents. Okay, so if you have grandparents or parent, talk to them more and ask them about their life experiences. Okay, so let me just save this also. You can see here advice, okay, set to favorite. Okay, if you have grandparents or parents, talk to them more, ask them about their life experiences, has been added to your favorite. Okay, and you can see here we have got here three elements in our favorite, okay, list. Okay, so let me just see the favorite also. So click this button, view favorites. You can see here saved advices. Okay, so guys, we have got here three elements or items in our saved advice. Okay, and I'm going to remove all of them now. You can see here we can see the tooltip also, and the same advice also I have shown here in the tooltips. Okay, so I'm going to remove all of them now. Removed, advice removed, remove this also. Okay, advice removed, and remove this also, advice removed. Okay, and now we can see here the text no favorites saved yet. Okay, so guys, okay, and like we can see here we have got here another button called dark mode. Okay, so whenever you will click this button, dark mode, you are going to apply the dark mode, okay, to this, okay, section only. Okay, so hit the button, apply dark mode. You can see here dark mode is now applied, and you can see here the text is now white. Okay, so just go to the view favorites also. You can see here no favorite saved yet, so just go back. Okay, and let me just get the new advice. Okay, so most things done is done in secrecy are better left undone. Okay, so let's just save this. So advice saved, get a new advice. Life is short enough, don't race to the finish. Okay, so this is also good advice. Save this also in the favorite. Okay, so saved, and we can remove this. Okay, you can see here this also removed. Okay, from the favorite, life is short enough, don't race to the finish. Okay, it has been removed from the favorite. Okay, so let's just save this one more time. Okay, you can see here this advice is also saved now. Okay, get the new advice. Okay, get the new advice. You can see here I have shown here the loading spinner as well. Okay, you can see here I have just shown the loading spinner as well. Okay, and I have shown you all the feature, all the functionality. So just go to the view advice. Okay, view favorite advice. You can see here two advices now saved here. Okay, we can remove this also by clicking this broken heart icon. Okay, and I have shown the tooltip also. Okay, so just remove this and just remove this also, go back to the advice. Okay, and just get the new advice. Okay, so guys, this is the feature, okay, of this random advice generator app, okay, using React.js and design as well. Okay, so guys, I hope this is quite good. Okay, application or the project. Okay, for the beginners, for the new learners, for you guys. Okay, if you are learning React.js in 2025, and if you are beginner to React.js, then guys, this video and this application is definitely for you. You should definitely watch the entire video, and you should definitely try to create this app on your own. And then you can also mention, okay, this random advice generator in your resume, in your CV, and it is going to give you the weightage also, and interview is also going to, okay, give a, okay, detailed view on your CV. Okay, and they will definitely call you for the interview round. Okay, and they will definitely give you one chance, okay, to prove yourself. Okay, so this is very dynamic and very cool random advice generator, and it has got all the elements. Okay, click event, okay, state variable, state updater function, external API, HTML, JavaScript, or using the JavaScript, I mean React, okay, JS code, everything guys. It has got each and everything. Okay, conditional rendering as well, each and everything guys. Okay, if else statement also, conditional rendering also in React, everything guys, everything. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this random advice generator app in React and using the and design as well. Okay, with me er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, before starting up the video, I would like to request you all guys, please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, and please like this video also. Okay, so that it is going to give me the confidence, it is going to give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this on each and every small topic of web development and full stack development and on service now as well for you. Okay, so please guys, please do subscribe now my the channel Code with E, and please press the bell icon also, and do like this video. Okay, please guys, okay, do try to comment something, okay, what you have learned, okay, from this video, from this session, in the comment section below. And please guys, I'm asking you for your feedback as well. Okay, it can be negative, it can be positive also. I just need the feedback. Okay, about my session, about my voice, about my audio also. I know audio is bit, okay, slow, bit down, so guys, just try to use the headphone, okay, for better and for better sound and audio experience. Okay, please do use the headphone. Okay, and please do subscribe now my the channel Code with ER. Okay, I hope you will do now. Guys, I need your help, I need your support. Okay guys, consider me as a friend, consider me as a brother, and I need your help, I need your support. Okay, please guys, please do subscribe now my the channel Code with ER. Okay, because you can see here I'm trying to teach you a lot of things from in React, in Vue.js. I'll just start this session also on Angular.js also. Okay, so please, if you are a new learner and if you are a beginner in React.js, then you should definitely subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and you should definitely press the bell icon also, and you should definitely like this video also, so that next time YouTube is going to suggest you my awesome videos, okay, on React, on Angular, on Vue.js as well. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn and let's build this random advice generator app in React using the and design as well. Okay, with me er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so I'm going to use here the VS Code editor. Okay, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences. Okay, so I'm going to create here a new file. I'll say here random Okay, random advice app in React.js. Okay, JSX means JavaScript and XML. Okay, so go to the components folder and hit save. Okay, so let me just create here, let me just import here our React also, and I'm going to import here a few hooks also from React only. Okay, so first hook I'm going to use here use state, and the second one I'm going to use here use effect. Okay, this is it. Okay, so let me just import here the notifications also from the ant design. Okay, so import uh, notification from ant design, and I'm going to import the tooltip as well. Okay, so tooltip, this is it, and I'm going to import the you can see here, let me just show you this spinner. Okay, so guys, this spinner I'm going to import. Okay, this is the spinner. Okay, okay, so this is the spinner. Okay, this spinner I'm going to import also. So guys, every time you will be able to see a new advice. Okay, every time guys. Okay, every time you will be able to see a new advice. Okay, whenever you will click this button, get new advice. Okay, you can see how cool and how dynamic our application is. Okay, so I hope guys you are now thrilled and you are now excited to learn, okay, how to create this random advice generator. Okay, with me ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, and I'm going to teach you now in details as well. Okay, so I'm going to import this spinner. I showed you this spinner. Okay, this loading spinner. Okay, I'm going to import. Okay, okay, so just come to the code now. I'll just say here import. Okay, clip loader from the React spinner, and from the clip loader as well. Okay, this is it, and I'm going to import the advice also, or CSS also. Okay, but it is not required, I feel. So give this. Okay, I'll just say here advice dot css. Okay, advice dot css, although we don't need here any css. I'm going to use the predefined css, okay, from the bootstrap, okay, itself only. Okay, so I'll just create here new const. Okay, so I'll just say here advice app in React. Okay, give equal to, I'm going to use here the fat arrow function. So let me just return this, and let me just create here wrapper div or the container div, we can say anything. Okay, let me just give here the class name container, and I'll just give here text. I'll just give here text center also, and I'll just say here margin top 5. Okay, and just close this div, and now I'm going to create here one heading also. So let me just copy this heading from here only, and let me just create here h1 element. Okay, so h1, and close this h1. Let me just give the class name also. I'll just give here margin bottom, I'll give here 4, and I can give here the display 4, and I'll just give here font weight bold. Okay, and just paste it here. Okay, and let me just bring it into the same line. Okay, so guys, this is it. Let me just export it also. So export, okay, default advice app in React. Okay, so as of now, just save the file, and now come to the app.jsx. I'm very sorry. So import, okay, advice app in React. Okay, so let me just comment this previous app. Okay, so let me just copy this from here, and let's just comment this out also. Okay, let me just create a new one. So save the file, and have a look in the browser first. You can see here random advice generator app in React. Okay, so our component is doing great, it is doing fine. Okay, so come to the code now, and come to the this components. Okay, so I'm going to create here the first I'm going to create here the button for the dark mode. Okay, so let me just create here button very quickly. Okay, so button, and now I'll just say here let me just guys create here first few state variables. Okay, let me just create here first few couple of state variables also. Okay, so I'm going to create here few couple of state variables as well. Okay, so first I'm going to create here advice, and this is, guys, this is an array. Okay, so here we are using the array destructuring. Okay guys, this is known as the array destructuring. Okay, and it has exactly two elements. Okay, the state variable and the state updater function. Okay guys, this array have the exactly two elements. Okay, the state variable and the state updater function. Okay, this is it. I'll say here set advice. Okay, set advice equal to use state. Okay, and as of now just give it blank or the empty string, the initial or the initial or the default value. Okay, so I'm going to create here another const. I'll just say here the loading to show the loading spinner. I showed you set loading. Okay, from of course use state. Okay, and as of now just give the default value as a true. Okay, so because we have to show the loading initially, so I'll give here true. Okay, so const, I'll just create here another state variable. I'll just say here error. Okay, to show the error if there is any error like fetching the text or fetching the any advice. Okay, so we have to show the error as well. Okay, I'll just say here this is the state updater function set error. Okay, so let me just use a state of course, and let me just give you the blank or the empty string. Okay, let me just explain you one more time what is state variable and what it is all about. Okay, so guys, this is known as the array destructuring. Guys, this is known as the array destructuring, and this array, okay, this array has exactly two elements. Okay guys, this array has exactly two elements. This first element is known as the, guys, the first element is known as the state variable, and this second element is known as the state updater function. Okay, so by using this state updater function or the second element, we are going to update this advice, we are going to update this loading, we are going to update this error. Okay, with using this state variable, set advice, set loading, and set error. Okay, every time we have to update advice, loading, error. Okay, error, we have to use only this set advice, set loading, and set error. Okay, every time. Okay, this is it. So I'm going to create here another const variable with the name, okay, favorites. Okay, so favorites set, okay, favorites equal to use state. Okay, and as of now just give this, okay, as a blank or the empty array. Okay, so this is the this favorite is now the array. Okay, this favorites is now the array. Okay, this favorites state variable is now the array, but as of now it has a blank or the empty string. Okay, so this is known as the default or the initial value. Okay, so I'll just say here const dark mode to apply the dark mode. Okay, and set, okay, dark mode, okay, from use state. Okay, and as of now just give here, because initially it should be like light mode. Okay, so I'll just give the false value. Okay, so this is known as the boolean value. Okay, true or false is known as the boolean value. Okay, so this is it. I hope guys I'm I mean good enough. Okay, to explain you each and everything. Okay, what I'm doing here. Okay, I hope so. Okay, so const, I'll just say here show favorite. Okay, to show the favorite also I showed you, and set, okay, show favorites. Okay, and this is it. Use state. Okay, and now just give here, as of now we have to hide the favorites. Okay, so we will give here the default initial value as a false. Okay, because initially we have to hide it. Okay, and now I'm going to create the last, okay, state variable to show the notification. Okay, to show the notification I'm going to create the another state variable with the API, and I'll just say here context, context, okay, text holder. So this is created, okay, this state variable is created for showing the notification, okay, for showing the notification, okay, from the ant design, okay, from this ant design, okay. So just say here notification, notification dot, okay, use, okay, use notification, okay, and this is it, okay. So guys, now we are done with the state variables, okay, and I have I hope I have explained you very well also, okay. So this is it, okay. So as of now, just come here and I'll just give the class name also, btn. I'll just give here dark, okay, btn dark, and I'll just say here margin bottom also 3, okay. And now this is it, okay. We will just call the function, okay. We will call a function on click of this button. Later on we will define the method, okay. As of now, just say here, just use this, okay, state variable dark mode, okay, to dynamically show the text, okay. Apply dark mode, apply light mode, dynamically we will show the text, okay. So using this, okay, or ternary operator, okay, ternary operator, okay. So I'll just say here light mode, light mode, and now I'll just say here dark mode, okay. So as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser. We can see here we got the button, okay, light dark mode as of now. And let me just, okay, make it true. We will see here the dark mode, okay. So I'll just say here true, and we can see here light mode, okay. So just reward this because this is the false, okay. So we will just see here this dark mode, okay. Save the file. You can see here dark mode, make it true. We will see here now the light mode, okay. So just make it true. We will now see the light mode. You can see here light mode, okay. So just make it false, okay. By default, okay, it should be only the light mode, okay. This is it, okay. So guys, this is it, okay. And now below this, okay, h1, I'm going to use this, okay, context, okay, holder, okay. This is very important for showing the notification, okay guys. This is very important for showing the notification, okay. So we have to say here, okay. So guys, this is very important for showing the notification, okay. So let me just write the comment for you here also, very important for showing the notifications, okay, notification or as, okay. So this is very important, okay. Don't forget this, okay, very important, okay. So now I'm going to create here another button, okay. I'm going to create here another button. So button, and close this, and I'll just give here the class name also. So class name, I'll say here btn, class name, I'll give here btn. I'll just say here secondary, okay, btn secondary. And I'll just give here margin top 3 also, and button, and is missing here, okay. So button, and now on click of this also, we will just, okay, run here one method, okay, later on. But as of now, just to copy this, okay, favorites, okay, or show favorites, okay, state variable. And we will just change the text dynamically, okay, save to or back to advice, or see saved advice, okay. So we are going to do that now, okay, using this state variable show favorite, okay. And I'm again going to use here the ternary operator, okay. So I'll just say here back to advice and colon. I'll just say here view, okay, view favorite, okay. So as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser. You can see here view favorite, okay. And if you will change this, okay, let's just make it true. We will be able to see here, okay. So guys, very sorry for this. Okay, so guys, very sorry for the disturbance. Okay, now guys, let's just continue. Okay, and be focused. Okay, so guys, now let me just show the button also. So just we can see here view favorite. Okay, and let me just make this false. Okay, we will be able to see here like back to back to advice. Okay, let's just make it true. You can see here back to advice, but we have to initially make it false. Okay, so that we can see here the button view favorites. Okay, so on these two buttons we will call a method, okay, later on as we progressed. Okay, so as of now just be focused. Okay, so now guys, let me just copy this. Okay, show favorites. Okay, so copy it from here, and now below this button we are going to use it. Okay, so I'll just create this open and closing curly braces, and now if this is not okay, so if this is like as of now this is false, so now this will this okay exclamation mark make it true. Okay, this is known as the negation of any variable or the state variable. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now they will just use here the ternary operator. Okay, so now we will just create here open and closing parenthesis, and now we will just say here I'm going to create here one div. Okay, so I'm going to create here one div also. So let me just create here one div. Okay, so I'll just create a div. I'll just give the class name also. So let's just close this div first, and I'll let me just give you the give here the class. Okay, so let me just make this dynamic class using the backtick. Okay, so I'll just give the class card, and I'll just say here padding 4. Okay, and I'll just give here shadow. Okay, shadow LG, and now I'll just give you another class fade. Okay, so we will just define this class. Okay, this is the custom class, and rest all classes are I'm using here from the bootstraps. Okay, from the bootstrap. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, let me just show here the number of okay items in our favorite list also. Okay, let me just show here the number of items in our favorite list. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so first of all we have to uh, give here the this as well. Okay, so this is it. So let me just give here the div, otherwise we will get the error also. So just close this div now. Okay, and as of now just say here relative. Okay, so relative, or we can say here position relative. Okay, so position relative. Okay, so now error is gone now. Okay, so let me just as of now guys, let me just show here the number of okay items in our favorite list as well. Okay, so how we are going to do that, we are going to do that now. So I'll just say here this open and closing parenthesis, and I'm going to use here the dollar sign to make it okay dynamics. Okay, so let me just as of now or use here the backtick. Okay, just let's just use here backtick. Okay, this is it. So I'll just say here this okay favorites. Okay, this favorites dot length. Okay, dot length. Okay, so in this way we can show the number of okay of items in our favorite list. Okay, in our favorite list. Okay, so let's just save the file. As of now you can see here is 0 item, and let me just so favorite is here. Let's just say here I'm going to give here anything. Okay, so let's just say here number of array. Okay, number array. Okay, so as of now we have here two elements in our favorites array, so we will be able to see here 2. You can see here 2 is now here. Okay, so let's just okay make it okay 3. We will be able to see here 3 items. Okay, so I've explained you very well. Okay, so remove this. Okay, so 0 item. Okay, so now just come down. Okay, and open this div. Okay, open this div. So open this div now, and let's just as of now just say here I'm going to apply here the dark mode as well. Okay, so I'm going to apply here the dark mode as well. So I will just say here dollar, and I'll just copy this state variable dark mode from here and just paste it here. Okay, if this is true, okay, if this is true, so we are going to apply here bg dark. If this is true, we are going to apply here the bg dark. Okay, otherwise, so otherwise we will apply here, or we will apply here the text also, text white. Okay, otherwise, I'm very sorry, otherwise we will apply here let it be nothing. Okay, let it be nothing. Okay, this is it. So now inside this div, okay, we have to now, or we can apply here the, okay, so we can apply here another class. Let's just apply here say here this. Okay, copy this state variable show favorites with the exclamation mark as well. Okay, and now if this is, let me just use here dollar sign. So it is compulsory to use dollar sign to make it a state like a variable. Okay, so now, okay, so remove this, and now we have to give it here. Okay, so guys, be to very careful. Okay, so if this is the case, we will just apply here the show class. Okay, otherwise we will apply here with blank or the empty class. Okay, blank or the empty class. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now let's just copy this loading state variable. So copy this loading state variable, and now inside this div I'm going to use it. Okay, using the curly braces. Okay, so now loading, if this is true. Okay, so guys, if loading is true, then only we are going to show the right hand side expression. Okay, this is known as the this condition is known as the conditional rendering in our React. Okay, so guys, if left hand side expression is true, guys, if left hand side expression is true set, okay, then only we are going to show the right hand side expressions. Okay, or the like anything. Okay, any expression, any custom component, anything. Okay, this is known as the conditional rendering in React. Okay, so just create here div also. I'm going to create here div here, close this div very quickly, and I'm going to give here the class name also, div flex, and I'll just say here justify content. I'll say here center, justify content center. I'll say here align. Okay, item, align item also center. Okay, aligns items also center. So open this div now, and now inside this div we are going to first of all, let me just apply here the inline style. Okay, using the double curly braces. Okay, I'll say here min height. I'll give you a min height of 200 px. Okay, this is it. And now I have to show here the loading, like I showed you the like loader. Okay, it's loading spinner. So copy this. Okay, clip loader from here, because this is the custom component. You can see here C is capital, which means this is the custom component. Okay, so now inside this div, just call like this. Okay, and I can give here the color also. It's up to us to give the color. Okay, so color, and it is going to take the string. Okay, I'll just say here as of now, just say here red. Okay, it's up to us, we can change it anytime. I'll just give you this size attribute as well. Okay, so size I'll give here say here 90. Okay, this is it. Save the file, and as of now, let me just check so this clip loader, let's just remove this, save the file. So now we can see here this. Okay, so as of now, just let me just check here. So clip loader. Okay, so loading as of now. Let's just so loading. Let me just go to the inspect, go to console, and let me just see what is the issue. So refresh the page one more time. So let's just make loading as of now false. So now we can see here. Okay, okay, we can see here loading is false. Okay, so as of now, just give here the color red. Let me just show you the loading. So loading is as of now true. So let's just false, so make it true, and we can see here we don't have anything, any error. Okay, so okay, so we will just okay as we will create the function, so we will just update this. Okay, clip loader. Okay, so we will just update this clip loader. Okay, so clip loader react spinner. Okay, and clip loader. Okay, so let me just check. Okay, no, there is no any issue. Okay, so as of now, just comment this out, and as of now, just remove this. Okay, so now as of now, just say here loading, and we will just update this. Okay, as we will progress. Okay, so you can see here loading is here. Okay, so you can see here this is true. Okay, as of now this loading is true, so we can see here this text loading is here. Okay, so let me just clip loader. Okay, so clip loader. So clip loader. Okay, just comment this out, and okay, so okay, so there will be let's just remove this color attribute. Okay, so let's just give you a hash value. Okay, so okay, so guys there will be something. Okay, let's just as of now just comment this out. Okay, and say here loading. Okay, we will just update this. Okay, later on. Okay, don't worry. As we can see here loading is okay, we can see here the loading text. Okay, so this loading is doing great. Okay, we can see here the loading text. Okay, so as of now this is it. Okay, so now below this okay loading div, I'm going to create here another div. Okay, I'm going to create here another div or to show the what can I say, error message. Okay, so now let me just create here open and closing curly braces. Let me just copy this error state variable and just paste it here, and now I'm going to use here the double and. Okay, this is known as the conditional rendering in React. Okay, so let me just say like this, and now I'm going to create here the JavaScript, okay, like JSX fragments, okay. This is known as the JSX fragments, okay. So let me just create here p element. So close this p, and now let me just give here the class name also. I'll just say here text center, and I'll just give here font weight bold, and I'll just say here this is it. So let me just show here this error message, okay. Whatever it is, it can be anything, any error message. So paste it here, and now I'm going to create here another button to retry, okay. So I'll just create here button to retry, okay, loading the like random advice, okay. So let me just give here the class name also. I'll say here btn. I'll just give here the warning, okay, and I'll just say here margin top also 3. I'll just say here re try, okay, retry, okay. And on this button also we will just call the same method, okay. So which method, let me just show you which method I'm going to call here. I'll just say here on click I will call the method, okay. On click I'll just say here get, okay, advice, get advice. So let me just copy this, okay, and let me just paste it here. Let me just create here. I'll just say here const this, okay, and equal to, I'm going to use here the fat arrow function, but here we will be using here, guys, okay, async method, okay. So we are going to make this method as a async method, okay. So we have to say here the keyword async, okay. So this is it, okay. So now we have to use here the await keyword as well, okay, just to wait for the response, okay, just to wait for the promise to be resolved, okay. This is it, okay. So as of now let me just save the file, and now just okay, we don't have any error, we don't have any issue. So now first of all let me just create here the new now the this is it, okay. So as of now let me just below this I'm going to create here the loading, okay. So all that they're going to check, okay, they're going to check, okay. So let me just create here open and closing curly braces, okay. If loading is false, okay, if loading is false, and we'll just say here there is no any error as well, okay. There is no any error as well, okay. There is no any error as well, okay. If this is the case, if loading is false, okay, if loading is false, if there is no any error, then only we will just run this like a component, then only we will just show the random advice generator, okay. So here also we are going to use here conditional rendering, okay. If this is false, if there is no any error, then only we are going to show this, okay, right hand side expression, okay. And this is known as the conditional rendering, okay. So just now I'm going to create here another div, okay. So I'll just create a div. I'll just give the class name also position relative, okay. And just to close this div, okay, and now open this div. I'm going to create here another div, okay. So let me just give the class name also as a display 5, okay. So close this div now, and inside this div I am going to first of all I'm going to show here the advice, okay. So copy this advice state variable, because we will use this set advice, okay, to store the advice, okay. So copy this advice from here and just paste it here, okay. This is it, okay. So I'm going to or just say here h1, okay, h1 element, okay. Say here h1, okay. This is it. We can say div as well, okay. Let me just create here another div below this h1 element. I'll give the I'm very sorry, I'll give the class also. And so now we'll just say here display flex, okay. And I'll just say here flex column, and we'll just say here flex, so flex md, flex md. I will just give the row, okay, for the minimum device, we will just make this row. Okay, so now I'll just say here justify content, I'll just say here center. Okay, so remove this 0 and just say here this. Okay, justify content center. Okay, and now inside this div I'm going to create here another button also. So just create a button, and now let me just give the class name also. I'll give this button class name btn. I'll just say here primary, and I'll just say here margin top 3. I'll say here margin say here me 2, and I'll just say I'll give the width also of 50%. Okay, so I'll just give here the string also, get new, okay, advice. Okay, and we have to call this same method get advice, okay, on this button as well. Okay, so we will just paste it here. Okay, on click get advice. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now I'm going to create here another button. Okay, below this button I'm going to create here another button. So button, this is it. Okay, let me just give the class name also. I'll just make this class a dynamic using the backtick. Okay, this is it. So I'll just say here btn, and margin top I'll give here 3. I'll just give here the width also 50%, and I'll just say here dollar sign and open and closing curly braces. I'll just say here favorites. Okay, this, okay, favorites state variable array. Okay, so just say here if it has, okay, include. Okay, it includes, okay, includes, okay, this advice. Okay, if this advice is included inside this, okay, favorites is like a state array. Okay, so you can see here this favorites is the array. Okay, this favorites is the array, and this is the advice. We will use this state variable advice to hold, to store all the advices. Okay, so we are checking here, it will return true or false. Okay, it will return true or false. Okay, if, okay, if this favorites okay, includes, okay, this advice, okay, it will return true. Otherwise, if this favorites array does not include this advice, okay, it will return false. Okay, it will return false. Okay, so it is going to give you the true or false as a boolean value based on this. Okay, if it includes, it is going to give you the true. If does not includes, it is going to give you false. Okay, so based on this, okay, true and false value, we are going to apply here the certain classes. Okay, I'll just say here btn, and I'll just say here btn success. Okay, btn success, and let me just, guys, copy this class. It is little lengthy class. Okay, so let me just copy this, and I have explained you very well. You don't need any further explanation. Okay, so copy this class from here and just paste it here. Okay, so it is self-explanatory, and I'm just pasting here the class. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, I explained you. Open this div also, like button also, and I'm going to give you the I'm going to show the text dynamically using this favorite. Okay, using this favorites state array. Okay, so copy this, and just here. Okay, just here, paste it. Okay, paste it. So now we will just see here again, we will just check here with includes. Okay, includes this advice only. Okay, this advice I showed you, this advice. Okay, this advice. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, so now this is the case. I explained you, it is going to give you the true or value. Okay, based on the that condition. Okay, if it contains, or if it does not contains. Okay, so just say here ternary operator I'm going to use here. I'll just say here saved. Okay, saved to favorite. Okay, save to favorites. I'll just say here remove. Okay, like already saved, want to remove it. Okay, so give you a question mark, otherwise we will just say here, otherwise we will just say here, uh, otherwise we will just say here, what we can say here, uh, save to, say here, save to favorite, save to favorite. Okay, like as give as safety file. You can see here as of now. Let's just if we can see anything here, so let me just show if we can see. Okay, so let's just make this loading as of now false. Okay, so make it false. You can see here we got the button also. Okay, so we can see here we got the button, but loading should be initially true. Okay, but as of now we can see here two buttons, get new device and save to favorite. Okay, so it will work accordingly. Okay, we have to write the function also. So let's just make this, okay, loading as a true. Okay, because initially it should be true. Okay, so loading should be true initially. So now just come down, and guys, now we have to like on this button also, we have to call one method. Okay, so you can see here, this is here, we can see here, saved to favorite. Okay, remove it. Okay, so we have to like we have to call here on this button also, we have to call here one method. Okay, so I'm going to call here one method also, save to favorite. Okay, so I'll say here on click. Okay, on click, and I'm going to call here one method also. I'll just give the method name as a save to favorite. Okay, save to favorites. Okay, make it as, okay, so save to favorite, copy this, and we have to define this method here also. So I'll just say here const, and now just to save it, and now I'm going to use here the filter function. Okay, and now just close this. This is it. So we have to define this these two methods now. Okay, get advice and save to favorite. Okay, as of now, just guys, as of now, let it be also. We will define, okay, we will define this portion also. You can see here we have to define this portion also. Later on we will define it. As of now, just come here, and I'm going to define this get advice method. You can see here this is the async method. So we have to use here await keyword inside this method. Okay, we have to use inside this method await keyword to wait for the promise to be resolved. Okay, if it is resolved, we will get the output from the external API, from the third party API. Okay, if our promise is rejected, if our promise is rejected also, we will be able to get some response from the third party API, from the external API. Okay, this is it. So I'm going to define this get advice method now. Okay, so I'm very sorry. So first of all, we have to set this loading. Okay, so first of all, we have to set this loading again true. So copy this and just paste it here, and now we will just say here again true. Okay, this is it. And now copy this set error. We have to again remove the error if there is any. Okay, previously, okay, previously if there is any error, we have to remove this also. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so we are checking here. Okay, if set loading is true, we will just make like it's false all true. So initially we have to set the loading always true. Okay, initially we have to set the loading always true. Okay, and we will check previously if there is any error, we will just remove the error as well. Okay, this is it. So come down, and now we are going to use here the try catch block. Okay, so try, okay, try, and the catch, and the finally block as well. Okay, this is it. Okay, so here I'm going to test here inside the try block. We are going to write the code which is going to which is prone to give you the error. Okay, which is prone to give you the error. So that kind of code we write in our try block. Okay, this is it. Okay, all about the try block. Okay, so I'm going to create here one const also. So I'll just say here const, I'll just say here response, and this is it. Okay, I'll just use here the await keyword. I explained you we have to use the await keyword if we are using the async keyword here, async method, okay, or the function. Okay, so I'll use here the fetch method, javascript fetch method. I'll just say here http. So let me just copy this, okay, method. So we like we have to be very careful. So let's just copy this method from this here only. Okay, so copy this line exactly. Okay, and just come here and just to replace with this. I'll explain you. You can see here I'm using here the fetch method, javascript fetch method, and this is the API. Okay, advice clip.com. Okay, so let me just check if this is going to if this is opening or not. Okay, so come here and paste it here. Okay, and guys, would you like an advice slip? Yes. Okay, so guys, this is the API I'm going to use. Okay, okay guys, this is the API I'm going to use. Okay, I'll just show you, like I'll just show you what it is going to return, okay, in the console. So don't worry, but this is the API I'm going to use, okay, in this function. Okay, in the meantime you can subscribe my channel Code with ER. Okay, please guys, do it now. Okay, I need it. Okay, guys, your one subscription is going to give me the confidence, okay, to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development also. Okay, so I hope you will subscribe now my this channel Code with ER, and you will just try to motivate me, and you will just try to, okay, make this channel Code with ER a blockbuster channel on YouTube. Okay, which is going to teach you programming from CSS to HTML, from HTML to JavaScript, React, Angular, and Vue.js as well. Okay, as well as the service now. Okay, this is it. Okay, please do hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so come to the code now. So guys, this is it, and we can see here we are setting the cache to no cache. Okay, we are setting here the attribute cache to no cache. Okay, this is it. So now we will just wait for the response as well. Okay, we will wait for the response as well. Okay, so we will just say here if, okay, if we are going to check here, let me just show you one thing here. So I'll just say here console dot log. Okay, and I'll just say here res. Okay, so as of now just remove this if. Let me just see if this is going to, let me just say here err. Okay, and let me just we will just, okay, so as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser what it is going to return. Okay, so let me just remove the page one more time. Okay, and as of now we have to make this loading as a false, so that we can see the button also. So loading is false, not hit the button, get new advice. You can see here we got the response here. As you can see here we got the response. Okay, so now we are going to check here. Okay, if we are going to check here if response dot okay is true. Okay, we are going to check here if response dot okay is true. Okay, so let me just say here inside the if block. Okay, we are going to check here, we are going to negate it if, okay, if this response dot okay, if it is okay, you can see here response, okay, response dot okay is true. Okay, we can check with the status also 200. Okay, so if this is true, then we are going to say here, okay, if this okay, so you can see here response dot okay, as of now it's okay. Okay, as of now it's okay. Okay, if it is not okay, we are going to throw here one new error. Okay, so I'll say here throw new error, throw new error. Okay, and I'll just say something here. I'll just say here something. Okay, something went wrong. Okay, something went wrong. I'll just say here please try, please try again later. Okay, so we are checking here if this response, okay, this response dot okay is not okay. Okay, if response dot okay is not okay. Okay, as of now you can see here response dot okay is true, which means it's okay, it's true. But we are checking here if response dot okay is not okay, so we will throw this error. Okay, and this error is going to be cached inside this catch block. Okay, so So guys, this error is going to be catched inside this catch block. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it guys. Okay, so now if everything is fine, if everything is cool, I'm going to create here another const. Okay, I'm going to create here another const with the name data, with the name data equal to, I'll use the again await keyword. Okay, because we are working inside the async method. Okay, so we have to use the keyword await. Okay, so we will just copy this res. Okay, we are going to copy this res.json. Okay, res.json, it is going to give you the us the json data. Okay, it is going to give us the json data, and we are going to store it inside this data variable. Okay, it is going to give us the json data from the external API, from the third party API, and we are going to store that data, that json data in our data variable. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. So now let me just console this also for you, what it is going to contain. I want to show you the entire data. Okay, so copy this, save the file, have a look in the browser, and now as of now let me just refresh the page. Okay, so we have to now just click this button, get a device. Okay, so hit it now. You can see we got the response also, we got the slip also. Okay, so inside the slip, okay, inside the slip we have the advice. Okay, so inside the slip guys, okay, we have the advice. Okay, so guys, inside this slip we have the advice. Okay, so we will just, what we will do here, we will what we will do here guys, we will just say here set. Okay, this set advice. Okay, this set advice to update this advice, because we are going to store each and everything inside this advice state variable using this set advice state variable. Okay, okay, or the state updater function. Okay, this is it. So now we will just say here data data dot slip, data dot slip. Okay, data dot slip dot advice, data dot slip dot advice, to store this advice. Okay, to store this advice, data dot slip dot advice. Okay, data dot slip dot advice, to store this advice. Okay, so let me just as of now just copy this. Okay, advice state variable, I want to show you something. Okay, so let me just copy it, and let me just okay, so advice is here already. So save the file, and you can see, just come here, let me just refresh the page one more time, and now I'm going to hit the button get advice. So it's still loading. Okay, so because we have to make this loading here as a true. Okay, so just make it true, and now okay, so so set loading. Let me just set loading is true here. Okay, so set loading is true, and okay, let it be. We have to define here something also. Okay, we are like, we have not finished our coding. Okay, so we have not finished our coding yet, so let it be everything as it is. Okay, so we have to define this catch block. Now I'm going to define the catch block as well, so I'll just say here set error. Okay, set error, we have to define here the error. Now I'll just say here err dot message. Okay, err dot message, if there is a message, if there is any message, otherwise we will just show the some string. Okay, I'll say here failed to fetch, fail to fetch the data. Okay, this is it. So this is it. Otherwise in the finally block, we will just set this loading as a false. Okay, so we will set this loading as a false, so now we will just make this as a false. Okay, so now this is it. Okay, so now I want this. Okay, get advice function or the method is completely ready. Save the file, have a look in the browser, and now let me just refresh the page one more time. Okay, so okay, so we have to because we can, guys, we can see here this loading. Okay, this loading is a text. Okay, this loading is a text. Okay, so we have to remove this loading. Okay, so okay, sorry, very sorry. So now we have to now, okay, so copy this use like effect state variable from here, and now we have to uh, like call it here, just define it. I'll say here use state. Okay, and now I'm going to use here the filter function. Okay, so you can see here guys, I have to be very careful and while coding. Okay, so now guys, we have to say here, now we are going to just say here, let me just copy this. Okay, get advice method or function from here and call it inside this use state variable, I mean use effect hook, because we all know this use effect hook is going to run as soon as our component is mounted. We all know this use effect hook is going to run as soon as our component is mounted. Okay, so we will just call this method get advice, and now we will just make this loading as a false. Save the file, and now see, boom guys, see, boom. Let me just comment this out one more time. Let me just explain you one more time. Okay, so guys, as of now we have just defined our method. Okay, as of now guys, we have just defined our method get advice. Okay guys, let me clear you one more time. As of now guys, we have just defined our get method. Okay, but here we are showing the loading as well. Okay, here we are showing the loading as well. Okay, so we have to make this loading false as well. We have to make this loading false as well. Okay, so how to do that? Because you can see here set loading is here, as of now set loading is here true, and inside the finally block it is now set to false. Okay, but how to make it false? How to run this function get advice? How to run this function get advice, and when to run it? Okay, so guys, when to run it? Whenever our component is going to be mounted. When to run this method get advice or the function get advice? Whenever our component is going to be mounted. Okay, our component is going to be mounted, and we all know whenever our component is going to be mounted, whenever our component is going to be mounted, this use effect hook is going to be run every time. Like we all know, this use effect is used to perform the side effect, fetching the API data, updating the DOM, directly manipulating the DOM. Okay, so this use effect hook is going to run, is going to execute, is going to run as soon as our component is mounted, as soon as our component is mounted. Okay, so we have to call this method get advice inside this use effect, inside this use effect. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser. So see, boom guys, now we can see here the advice also, and we can see two buttons also, get the new advice and save to favorite. Okay, get new advice. You can see here this is doing great, this is doing great, this is doing great. Okay, this is doing great. Okay, so let me just now let me just remove this. Okay, like uh, static string, and now just comment this out, and now we will be able to see the loading. Okay, so there is some issue guys. Okay, with this clip loader. Okay, let me guys, okay, just check. Okay, go to the previous. Okay, uh, I'm very sorry, so copy guys. Okay, this from here, and just replace with this. There will be some, okay, spelling mistake as well. Okay, see, I told you guys, I told you there is a spelling mistake. Okay, so we have to remove this. Okay, curly braces. Okay, because this is the component. Okay, we have to remove this curly braces, and now save the file, and now see, our loading is doing great. Okay, our loading is doing great. Okay, and our function, our get new advice is also doing great. Every time it is going to fetch you the new advice. Okay, I'm very sorry. Every time it is going to fetch you the new advice whenever you will click this button, get new advice. Okay, so we have to write this method also, save to advice also. So come to the code now, and now this is it. Okay, so now this is it. So guys, we have to check. Okay, first we have to check here if there is any advice in the local storage. Okay, if there is any advice in the local storage, okay, we have to check first. So I am going to do that in the use effect method also only. Okay, so now we will just say here, I'm going to create here one const. Okay, I'll just say here stored. Okay, stored equal to, I'll just say here local storage dot get item. Okay, get item from the local storage. Okay, so there is a key and value. This is the key and value mechanism. Okay, so I'll just say here favorite. Okay, this is the key favorites. Okay, this is it. Okay, if there is any previously stored, okay, like advice in the local storage, we will just fetch it and we will just store it inside the stored variable. Okay, inside the stored variable. Okay, if there is any favorite, okay, advice saved in the local storage, we will just fetch this and we will just store it inside the stored state like a variable. Okay, variable only. Okay, not a state variable. Okay, so now we will just check. Okay, so using this stored, okay, if this is the case, we will just say here, we will just say here that set. Okay, set where is the set favorites. Okay, state variable or the state updater function. Okay, so now we will just say here set favorites. We will just say here json dot pass. Okay, json dot pass. What to pass, guys? Of course, this is stored text. Okay, because we all know whatever we have to save inside the local storage, we have to save it as a string or as a text or the string. Okay, and we all know json is the like I mean json is the file of string. Okay, so we will just grab this and we will just, okay, make this, okay, array or the javascript object. Okay, so here we are doing here json dot parse to make this, okay, stored json data back into the javascript array or the object. Okay, this is it, guys, this is it. Okay, so close this. Okay, and now, okay, and now I'm going to run here. I'm going to create here the cleanup function, but I'm not going to do anything. I'll just show what it is. Okay, what is the cleanup function? Okay, so this is the cleanup function. Okay, always inside the use effect. Okay, so this cleanup function will run. Okay, guys, this cleanup function will run once our component is unmounted. Okay, guys, this cleanup function will run once our component is unmounted. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, this is it. So just save the file, and now we have to write here more things also. We have to like what can I say, we have to define this view favorites as well. Okay, so as of now nothing is going to happen, but we have to define this view favorites component as well. Okay, so why it is taking so much of time? Okay, I hope I am out of, okay, quota. I don't think this is the case. Fail to fetch, I told you. I am, I guess, out of quota. I guess, guys, I am out of quota, but I explained you, don't worry. Retry, retry. Okay, we can see here the retry button as well. Okay, you can see here we got the retry button also to retry. Okay, I'm sorry. So what is the issue? Let's just cut this out, and I don't think I'm out of quota. Okay, but fail to fetch. Let's just rephrase the page one more time manually, and I hope I am not out of quota. Okay, so okay, so let me just go to console. okay, there is no okay, so okay, so don't be afraid of silly ideas. Okay, so we are getting here. Okay, now it's working. Okay, so there was, I guess, okay, like there is an error, okay, from like app like advice end only. Okay, so now it's now resolved. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so now come down. Okay, and now we have to define this, okay, this section as well. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so let me just let me just check one thing. Okay, so let me just check, guys. Otherwise, so dd. Okay, so let it be. Fine. So now just come to this component, okay, or this section. Okay, the else section. Okay, this is known as the also else section, because we can see here this is the colon. Okay, and we have used here the like uh, ternary operator. Okay, so just open this div now, and now we are going to define this. Okay, so let me just define this now. I'm going to create here, let me just make this, okay, class a dynamic class, okay, using the backtick. So let's just remove this also, and I'll just use here the backtick, okay, to dynamically define the classes. I'll give the card, okay, and I'll just say here padding also 4, and I'll just say here shadow uh, lg, and I'll just say here margin top of 5 also, and I'll just give the fade class as well. Okay, and now I'll just use here the dollar sign. Okay, and I'll just say here to apply the dark mode, so copy this, okay, state variable dark mode from here, and just paste it here. And now we will just check, okay, if this is the case, we will apply the bg dark class. Okay, we will apply the text white class also. Okay, and now if this is not the case, we will just say here apply nothing. Okay, apply nothing, and now we will just say here that just open this, and now we will just say here copy this show favorite. Okay, show favorites from here if this is the case. So let me just give here dollar sign and this, and now just paste it. And this is the case, we will apply here the show class. Okay, otherwise we will apply here the nothing class, okay, or blank or the empty. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is it. Inside this div now, we are going to create here the h4 element. I'll just say here h4, and just close this, and now we will just give the class name also display. I'll say here 5, and we'll just say here saved. Okay, saved advice. Okay, saved advice, this is it. And now we have to just copy this, okay, favorites, this, okay, favorites. Okay, this is the array, you can see here this is the array. Okay, favorites is now is the array. So we will say here, now we will just use here open and closing curly braces. If this dot length, okay, dot length, okay, if it is equal to 0, okay, which means there is nothing, okay, which means there is nothing, okay. So if this is the case, we will use here the ternary operator, okay. And now we will just say here, just open this, and we will just say here h2, just give the class here as well. I'll just say here text muted, okay, and we will just say here display theory. We will just say here no favorite, no favorites saved yet. This is it, okay, this is it, okay. And now if this is not the case, we will say here colon also, like this, okay. So now we will just open this, and now we will just say here I'm going to create here the ul, okay, ul element, okay. I want to show here ul element also, so I'll just give the class name also, okay. List group, this group, and I'll just say here text left, or we can say the start as well, okay. So open this, okay, and now I'm going to look through this, okay, favorites array, okay. You can see here this favorites array, and we will, whatever we will save here, it will come inside this favorites using this set favorite state updater function, okay. So copy this favorites, okay, and it is an array. You can see here it is an array, so we can obviously run map method on this favorites, okay. So come down, and inside this ul we will just say here like this, open and closing curly braces, and now just paste it. We will just say here dot map, okay, dot map. I'm going to run the map method on this. I'll just say here item, and I'll just give you the index as well, okay. I'm going to use here the filter function. Open this, and now I'll just create here the li, okay, li element. So li, we will just give here the key prop as well, okay. So I'll just say here index, and I'll just give here the class name also, okay. So I will just give here the class name, or make it dynamic using the backtick, okay. So I'll just say here list group, okay, item, okay, list group item, and I'll just say here deflex also, display flex. And now just curly braces, like dollar sign and curly braces. So copy this, okay, dark mode state variable. We will check, okay, if it is dark mode or not, okay. If it is dark mode, we will apply the dark bg, okay. If this is the case, okay, we will just apply here the bg dark, okay, and the text white. Otherwise we will apply nothing, okay. Otherwise we will apply nothing, okay. And we will just open this li. We will just show here the item, okay, this item, okay, this item, okay. So now this is it as of now. Just save the file, have a look in the browser. So now view favorite. So let me just refresh the page one more time, okay. So we will just, okay, we have to define the method also, save to favorite, okay. So now come here, define this, okay, method save to favorites, okay. So we are going to define it now, okay, save to favorites, okay. So guys, now we are going to define it, okay. So we will just say here const, you will just say here const is favorite, okay. So we will just say here this favorites, okay, array, okay. So we will just say here favorites dot include, okay. I'm going to check here include for the this advice, okay, for this advice, okay. Copy it from here, and just to paste it here, okay. Guys, it is going to check, okay. If it is duplicate, it is not going to let you save. If it is unique, it is going to let you save, okay. Guys, if advice is duplicate, okay, if advice is duplicate, it is not going to let you the save same advice again and again, okay. It is not going to save the, it is not going to let you save the same advice again and again. If it is unique, it is letting you save the advice in your local storage, in your saved advice favorite list. Okay, in your list of saved favorite advice. Okay, this is it. Okay, if it include, it is going to give you true. If it does not include, it is going to give you the false. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it, guys. Okay, just say here, return true or false. Okay, based on condition. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so I'll just say here, mm, if we will just check here, if okay is favorite. Okay, if it is there, if the advice is already there. If the advice is already there, we will just try to remove it. Okay, you can see here, from this button only, we are going to remove it, we are going to save it, we are going to remove it, we are going to save it. Okay, the advice. Okay, from this save to favorite only, it is going to change the text. Okay, whenever we will just save the advice into our saved of favorite list of advice. Okay, this is it. So now this is it. Okay, so we are going to remove it. Okay, so we are going to remove it. Okay, so if it is already there, we will remove it. Okay, if it is already there, the advice we will just remove it. Okay, so we will just say here, updated. Okay, updated equal to, we will just say here, favorites dot, I will run here the filter method. Okay, to filter out the advice. Okay, which user has just saved. Okay, which user has just saved. Okay, from whenever user will click this button, save to favorite. Okay, so now just run the filter method on this. Okay, favorites array. Okay, state variable. Okay, so now we will just run here the I'll just say here item. I'll use here the filter function. So we will again check with this item only. If it does not equal to this. Okay, this advice. Okay, if it does not equal to this advice. Okay, so guys, it is going to keep all the elements. Okay, it is going to keep all the elements. Okay guys, it is going to keep all the elements. Okay, which is not equal to this. Okay, if this is equal to this, we will just remove the element. Okay, we will just remove that element only. Okay, so guys, this means, okay, keep everything. Okay, keep everything except, okay, except it is equal to. Okay, keep everything except, okay, this item equal to this advice. Okay guys, keep everything, this means, okay, this means keep everything except the item equal to this advice. Okay, remove it. Okay, remove it. So close this. This is it. We will just update our set. Okay, favorite. We will just update our this. Okay, set favorite state variable using this set favorite state updater function. Okay, with this updated. Okay, with this is favorite. Okay, so just copy this and copy this updated. So now we will say here, local storage dot set item. Okay, to update the local storage as well, because we are you can see here, we are just changing it. Okay, we are just changing. Okay, we are just removing the item. Okay, we are just removing the item, so we have to update our local storage as well. Okay guys, you can see here, we are removing the item from the favorite list, from the favorite list also. So we have to update our local storage as well. Okay, always remember guys, whenever you are going to update it, whenever you are going to remove it, whenever you are going to edit it, okay, we have to update our local storage as well. Okay guys, always remember, whenever you are going to update it, whenever you are going to edit it, whenever you are going to modify it, then also we have to update our local storage as well. So we have to do it here as well. I'll just say here, copy this. Okay, key favorites, and just paste it here. And now we will just say here, json, okay, dot stringify, because we all know we have to save each and everything inside the local storage as a string only. Okay, as a string only. So copy this updated and just save it here. Okay, and now we will just show the notification as well. Okay, we will just show the notification as well. So we will just say here, API okay, this API. Okay, you can see here notification dot use notification. We have to show the notification as well, and you can see here I have given here the text content. Okay, context holder, context holder, very important to show notifications. Okay, so we have to say here API dot, I'll just say here API dot info to show the info notification. Okay, this is it. Close this. We will just say here message, give colon, give this. I'll just say here removed, removed, put comma. I'll just say here description. Okay, so description I have to say here, give here backtick, and I'll just use here double quotes. Okay, and I'll use here the dollar sign. So just copy this. Okay, advice. Okay, just copy this advice. Okay, because this is the advice we are going to remove, this is the advice we are going to remove. So paste it here. Okay, we will just say here has been removed from your favorite favorites list. Say here list as well. Okay, this is it. We will just give you the duration as well. We will just give you the duration of 5. Okay, which means 5 seconds. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, else. Okay, so else. Okay, if it is already saved, we have removed here. Okay guys, if the advice is already saved, we have removed here. And now if it is not already saved, so we will just save it. Okay, so we will just say here else, inside the else block we will just save it. Okay guys, if advice is already saved, we have removed here. Okay, we have removed here if it is on, if it is not saved. Okay, so now we are going to save it also. Okay, let me just write the comment also, add the favorite. Okay, this is it. So now inside the else block we are going to save the advice to the favorite list. Okay, so we will just create here one const. Okay, const, I'll just say here const, I'll just say here updated again, updated equal to, equal to, we will just keep this. Okay, we will just keep all the previous advice. Okay, we will just preserve the all the previous favorite. Okay, we will just preserve all the previous favorites. Okay, we will just keep all the previously saved, okay, favorite advice. Okay, and we will just add the new advice. Okay, we will just add the new advice at the from the bottom. Okay, from the bottom or at the bottom. Okay, so guys, this is known as the spread operator. Okay guys, these three dots are known as the spread operator, and we have used here this spread operator to copy it, to preserve the old value, to preserve the old favorites, okay, list. Okay, to preserve the old favorite list of item. And now we are adding the new one also. We are adding the new one also at the end, from the bottom. Okay, at the end. Okay, this is known as this is it. Okay, this is it. So now we will just say here we have to update our, okay, set, okay, favorite, we have to update it also. So with this updated only, so updated. Okay, this is it. So now you can see here we have just add it. Okay guys, we have just add it. Okay, we have just added. So we have to update our local storage as well. So copy this and just paste it here. Okay, so guys, we have updated here our list of favorite item. So we have to update our local storage as well. Okay, we have to update our local storage as well. Okay, so let me just show you the notification as well. So copy this and just paste it here. We have to save here, we have to say here success. I want to show you the success notification. Okay, this is it. Okay, so we have to change the message also. We will just say here saved, I'm very sorry, saved to favorite. Okay, save to favorites. Okay, and description I'll just say here so copy this advice. Okay, has been, okay, has been has been, okay, say here added to your favorite list, okay, to your favorite list. Okay, so this is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so just as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser. So let me just refresh the page one more time. Okay, and now try to hit the button save to favorite, although we have to call a method on this. Okay, see, boom guys, you can see here save to favorite, and we can see the notification as well. Okay, you can see here now the text also changes of this button, saved to favorite, remove it. So I'm going to remove it also from here, from this button only. Sorry, see, removed. Okay, so now we have 0 element. Again save this. You can see here we have here 1 element, so try to see it. Okay, so we will define it. Okay, so okay, so just remove it. See, it's doing great. Just save it, save, get new device, save this also. So we can see here our number is also being updated dynamically. Okay, so this is doing great. So we have to make this button now functional view favorite. Okay, save the favorite, now saved, remove it. You can see here removed also. Okay, so let me just instead of guys, okay, info, let's just say here error or warning. Okay, error or warning. Okay, so just save this. Okay, remove this. You can see here removed. Okay, so removed. Okay, so this is doing great. We have to make this button now functional, clickable. Okay, so come to the code now, come to the view favorite. Okay, view favorite. So we have to on this method, we have to call one method. I told you, I explained you previously. So on click of this, say here, let me just so we have to call which method guys. Okay, so on click of this button, we have to so on click of this view favorites, we have to say here so okay, so on click of this, we have to say here I'm going to use here the fat arrow function, anonymous fat arrow function, and I will just say here set. Okay, copy this set show favorite state updater function, and now just call it, and now we will just say here I'm going to negate it. Okay, show. Okay, this show favorite. Okay, so copy this and just negate it here, and now just to paste it here. So this is it. Okay, so as of now, just try to save the method and try to go to this. Okay, you can see here, now we can see here saved advices here. Now we can see here, now the save advices here. You can see here we have to just negate it. You can see here this show favorite. Okay, this is the show favorite. Okay, and here we can see here we are using here the ternary operator. Okay, so as of now this was false. So this was as of now you can see here show favorite is false. Okay, so it is now true. So now this portion is now true. Only this portion is now true. Okay, only this portion is now true. Okay, only this portion is now true. Okay, so now whenever user will click the button, this button, view favorite. Okay, view favorite, so we have to make it false, then only we will be able to see this section. Okay, then only we will be able to see this section. So for this we have to negate this show favorite, then only we will be able to see this. Okay, let me just, okay, as of now let's just save. Okay, let's just refresh the page. Okay, let's just refresh the page. Okay, so this is it. We can see here only the save advice. Okay, but what will happen when this when we will this will become true? Okay, we will just see the saved advice. Okay, we will just see the saved advice. Okay, this is it. So we have to make it true, I mean false initially, and when whenever user will click this button, view favorites, we will just what we will do here, we will just say here, just negate it again. Just as of now this is false. Okay, as of now this is false. So whenever user will click this button, we will just negate it. So negation of false is true. Okay, negation of false is true and negation of true is false. Okay, so we will just toggle this. Okay, we will just toggle this. Okay, if you want to become more advanced, okay, we can just what we can do here, one thing also, if we can just say here prev, okay, equal to, I'm going to use here fedora function like this, and in this way we can just negate it, or we can just toggle the things. Okay, so see, this is also doing great. Okay, this is also doing great. Okay, this is also doing great. Okay, so fine. Okay, let it be only. So now we will just call here the tooltip. Okay, I'm going to call here the tooltip. Okay, so let me just call here the tooltip. Okay, so as of now we have to make the this, okay, dark mode button also functional. Okay, we will just make it, don't worry, we will just make it. Okay, so let's just give here margin bottom also 4. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so come down to this portion. Okay, like saved advice. Okay, saved favorite advice. Okay, saved. Okay, say here favorites advice. Okay, this is it. So we have to call this copy this tooltip from here, we will just call it here. Okay, so inside this li we are going to do that now. Okay, inside this li we are going to just okay, so just paste it here and just close this, cut this out and just paste it here. Okay, so we will just give here the placement also. I'll just say here right. Okay, we can change the placement, top, left, right, bottom. Okay, it's up to us only. I'll just give here the title equal to, I'll just give this item, okay, to show the respective, okay, saved favorite list, okay, or the advice. I'll just give here the color, I'll just give here the say here black. Okay, black is looking cool. I'll just give you the arrow also as a true. Okay, this is it. Save the file and now just go to the favorite. You can see here. Okay, you can see here this is doing great. Okay, okay, but let me just make this. So let me just cut this out from no, we can't do that because okay, we can do that, we can do that. So cut this out from here and just paste it here, and just cut this out from here and just paste it here. Okay, this is it. So cut this key prop from here and just put here on this tooltip. Okay, save the file and now this is it. Okay, okay, so let me just guys okay, let it be guys. Okay, I just want to explain you the things. Okay, so we can see here, we can see our the tooltip, okay, as well. Okay, we can see our tooltip as well. Okay, so now let me just define here the okay, so on this li we have to give here, let me just give here bg tag. So let me just check the class. So list group item div flex, and I will just say here justify content center. Okay, justify content center and align items. Okay, align items also center. Okay, so no, this is not looking cool. Say here say here between. Okay, okay, so left is looking cool. So we have to now show here the button also to remove it. Okay, I'm going to show the button now to remove it. Okay, so below this item only we are going to do that now. Okay, so let me just say here button. Okay, so close this button and let me just guys copy the icon from the uh, previous example. Okay, so let me just copy guys. Okay, this icons uh, this icon. Okay, copy this icon from here and just paste it here. Okay, so let me just give here the classes also on this button. I'll give you a class btn. Okay, I'll just say here uh, sm. I will just say here btn mm, outline danger. So just as of now, just save the file. Okay, so we can see here the broken heart icon. Okay, this is it. Okay, so let me just say here guys, let me just say here width. Can I give your width? Okay, make it 75. Okay, so this is it. And give here margin bottom also 5. Okay, so now this looks cool, and we will just apply the method also on this button to remove the advice. Okay, from the saved favorite advice. Okay, so just now come down, and on this button we will just say here on click. On click we will just define here the remove. Okay, remove favorite, and we will just give this item, which item we have to remove. Okay, so pass this. Okay, item object to this function remove favorite. Okay, so copy this and just come up, and we have to define this now here. I'll just say here const. Okay, so just paste it here and just give equal to, and just say here equal to. I'm going to use here the fatter function. So now just I'm going to define this method now. Okay, removed. Okay, so what to remove, just say here you can see here I'm passing here the this item object to this function removed. Okay, favorite. Okay, so I'll just say here advice. Okay, advice to remove. Okay, this is it. So now just come down, we will just create here one const. I'll just say here const. I'll just say here updated. Okay, equal to, I'll just say here favorite. Okay, favorite favorites dot filter. I'll just use the filter method. You can see here guys, we have to remove each and everything from this favorites array. Okay, because we are saving each and everything into this favorites array only, so we have to remove each and everything, the item, the advice to remove, of course, from this favorite. Okay, array only, because we are saving each and everything from this into this favorite only, so we have to remove each and everything from this favorites array only. Okay, so that's why we will just say here favorites dot filter, and I'll just say here item, and I will just use here the filter function. Okay, and I'll just say here this item, and I've explained you keep everything except. Okay, this item is equal to advice to remove. Okay, this means, okay, keep everything. Okay guys, this means keep everything except. Okay, except advice equal to item to remove. Okay, remove it. Okay, this is it. So save the file, and now we will just mm, show the notification also. Notification, so copy this and just paste it here. So we will just apply here the info. Okay, because we're going to give the info to the user, so we will just say here advice removed. Okay, advice removed, and copy this. Okay, has been say here has been removed, removed from your favorite list. Okay, this is it guys. Okay, this is it. Okay, so we will just update this. Okay, of course we have to update this. Okay, like favorites, like variable also, state variable also, using this set favorites state updater function, because we are changing. Okay, because we are changing it. Okay, because we are changing it. Okay, here I mean here, because we are changing it, so we have to update it also. So we will just say here set favorite, not loading, I'll say here favorite. Why not copy it from here? Because we will have a zero error. Okay, so copy this and just paste it here and just close this. And what we will do here, we will just update this with this updated like array, or the updated like list of advice. Okay, list of advice. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now we will just update the local storage as well. So we will say here local storage dot, okay, set item. We have to say here local storage dot set item. And what to set guys, of course, okay, of course, copy this key favorites from here and just paste it here. And now we will just say here json dot stringify. Okay, json dot stringify. Okay, and what to stringify guys, of course this updated. Okay, so copy it from here and just paste it here. Okay, and now guys just save the file, have a look in the browser, and now try to remove this, try using an old idea. So remove it, see it's gone. We can see here advice removed also, we got the notification also. Try using an old idea has been removed from your favorite list. Okay, so see how cool and how dynamic and how powerful our random advice generator app is. Okay, so remove this also. See this same, okay, advice has been removed. Okay, if you are close to a stranger on a public transport, try not to be rude to them. No one likes those attitudes. Okay, so guys, we have to be very kind, we have to be very polite. Okay, whenever we have to like commute. Okay, whenever we have to travel. Okay, with the stranger on the public transportation. Okay, so this is a very peaceful advice. Okay, for all of us. Okay, I hope you have read this. Okay, let me just read this for you one more time. Okay, if you are close to stranger on public transport, try not to be rude to them. No one likes those situations. Okay, has been removed from your favorite list. So close this. Okay, so close this. Okay, so guys, for the notification we have to use this. Okay, context holder. Okay, let me just remove this, we will see the error. Okay, we won't see anything. So okay, so go back to advice and try to save this. Okay, accept advice, of course I accepted. Okay, we can remove this also. See, it's removed. But when we remove, okay, okay, we can't see the we can't see the notification. So we have to like use this, okay, context holder to show the notification. Okay, so save the advice. Okay, so advice now saved. Remove this, advice now removed. Okay, so just save this, save a couple of advice now. Okay, save this also, save this also. See notification also. Try new one, save this also, get new one. Okay, try to do the things that you are incapable of. Okay, save to favorite. Okay, we can remove this also from here only, the like the current advice we have saved. Okay, so just save this again. Okay, you can see here try to do the things have been saved. Okay, just remove this also. You can see here try to do the things that you are capable of has been removed from your favorite list. Okay, so save this again, get new advice, save this. Okay, you can see here dynamically we are also changing the number. Okay, dynamically we are also changing the number. So get new advice, save this, get new advice, save this. Okay, so now just go to this button. Okay, click this view favorite. Okay, so now we can see here we have got here 7 okay favorite advice. Okay, so let me just okay, so you can see here the tooltip also, and I have shown the same advice okay in the tooltip as well. Okay, so let me just remove this. Okay, why not show here the number of okay, why not show here the number, okay, number of advice. Okay, so let me just copy this index from here and just to give a space, I'll just say here plus 1. So 1 2 3, let's just put here colon. Okay, let's just bring it inside the strong element. Okay, so strong and just to paste it here. Okay, so now we can see here the okay, so let me just make this 100% only. Okay, with 100. Okay, so I hope say here start. Remove this text center. So let's just okay, let it be guys. Let it be. Okay, so let me just okay guys, so I hope we have like okay, we have to apply this dark mode now. So come to the dark mode button. Okay, so now here is the dark where is the dark mode button. So this is the dark mode button. Okay, so let me just now on this dark mode button we will just apply the say here on click. Okay, on click we will just say here on click, and we will just negate with this. Okay, with this dark mode. Okay, so copy this and we will just where it is come down, we will just say here that we will just use here the anonymous fat. What is this? Okay, okay, give a space and we will just say here copy this. Okay, set dark mode to update this dark mode. Okay, so copy it and come down and paste it here, and we will just negate it. Okay, we will just negate it this dark mode. Okay, so in this way we can apply the dark mode, and you can see here if dark mode is true we will apply these classes. If dark mode is false we will apply the blank or the empty class. Okay, you can see here if dark mode is true we will apply this class, otherwise we will apply the blank or the empty class. Here also if dark mode is true we will apply these classes, otherwise we will apply blank or the empty class. Okay, this is it. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So now hit the button of dark mode. See, dark mode is now applied. See how cool and how easy it is. Okay, see guys. Okay, so just toggle this. See light mode, dark mode, go back. You can see here dark mode is also applied here. Okay, so let me just remove the all the things. Okay, so remove this. So let me just can I guys give here the placement top. Okay, give here the placement top. Okay, so you can just play with this guys code. You can just update this, you can just modify this, you can just customize this. Okay, you can just personalize this as per your need, as per your requirements. Okay, but guys, do try to create this, okay, random advice generator app on your own, and you can just mention this on your resume, and definitely guys, interviewer is going to give you the chance to prove your metal, to prove yourself. Okay, like you are worthy for their office, you are worthy for their position or not. Okay, you are worthy for their firm or not. Okay, so they will definitely try to give you the chance. Okay, so let's just remove this. Let me just remove all the things. Okay, all the advices you can see here. Now we can see here we've got here 4 elements. Okay, refresh the page, refresh the page, go to the favorite. You can see here we still have 4 elements. Okay, so our local storage is also, local storage is also doing great. Okay, because we are because we are saving the saved, okay, advice into our local storage. Okay, so I'm sorry for my voice as well. Okay, because I'm like speaking since a long time. Okay, so my voice is like this, I'm sorry for this. Okay, just remove all the things. The last one, if you think nobody cares, if you are alive, try missing a few payments. Okay, like guys, it is very cool. Okay, see guys, just try to read this. Okay, if you think nobody cares, if you are alive, try missing a few payments. Okay, they will call. Okay, they will call again and again. Where is my payment? When you are going to pay me? Where is my money? Where is my money? I need my money, I need my money. Okay, they will just try to call each and every time. Okay, like you are eating, like you are sleeping, like you are like having a chat with anyone, they will try to call you constantly. Okay, if you will miss a single payment. Okay, so this is the advice. Okay, if you think nobody cares, if you are alive, try missing a few payments. Okay, see how cool and how dynamic it is. Okay, I explained to you also. Okay, remove this, remove this also, remove this also, remove this also, and you can see here no favorite saved yet. Okay, refresh the page. Okay, so just go to the favorite. Okay, no favorite saved yet, apply dark mode. Okay, so let me just come here. mm, so copy this, guys, just copy this, and just make this class also a dynamic class, make this class also a dynamic class, guys. Okay, so now just paste it here, and now we can see here no favorite saved yet. So where it is, here also we have to make this class dynamic. Okay, so here also we have to make this class dynamic using the backtick. Okay, so I hope guys you are getting a lot of things, okay, from this session, from this video. Okay, so just paste it here, and now we can see here what is the issue. Text to white. Okay, so refresh the page. View favorites, apply dark mode. So we have to, okay, okay, just remove this text muted. Okay, and now is, see, boom, go back to advice and try to try to save few advice. Okay, get new advice. You can see notification also, save to favorite. We can remove it from here also itself, from this button only. We can save, we can remove. Okay, from this button only. Okay, I explained you. Okay, I have shown you each and everything. Okay, okay, I have shown you each and everything. Okay, we can remove this notification. Okay, so just get the new advice, save this, get new advice, save this, get new advice, save this also. You can see dynamically it is also updating. Get new advice, save this also, YOLO, get new advice. Vinegar is a powerful cleaning agent, save this also, I know that. So save this also. So now come to the view favorite. Okay, so click this button. You can see here saved favorite advice. Okay, okay, so let's just say here, why not guys, do here one thing. Okay, I'm just doing it, okay, out of curiosity. Okay, I'm just doing it out of curiosity. Okay, so let's just create here a span element. Okay, let's just create here a span element. Okay, and let's just create here span element. Okay guys, okay, so let me just put here so let me just say here, mm, copy this. Okay, copy this, and now just say here, well, I'll just say here, uh, so this is it. Okay, if this is the case, if favorite dot length is greater than 0, okay, we will just say here uh, as, okay, say here uh, as, okay, save the file, and you can see here, okay, we have to remove this as space. You can see here advices. Okay, so now it will have only advice if we will have only one element. Okay, so if we will have only one element, it will have only advice. Okay, not advices. Okay, so just you can see here still advices. Okay, still advices, just remove this last one. You can see here it is still advices. Okay, so let me just check if it is equal to equal to 1. Okay, so uh, if length if favorites dot length equal to 1, so mm, okay, so now we can see here advice. Okay, not advices. Okay, so let me just save this, get new advice, save this also, get new advice, save this also, go to the view favorite. Okay, and you can see here it is still advice. Okay, so not this is not okay doing great. So if length is greater than 1, so we will say here if length is greater than 1. Okay, so let me just check. Okay, advices, remove this, remove this, and now see, boom guys, now we can see here advice. Okay, now we can see here only advice. Okay, so we will just check here, if favorite dot length is greater than 1, we will apply this as, otherwise we will apply only the, we will just only the show the advice. Okay, so let's just remove this also, go to the advice, save few advice. Okay, get save this, get new advice, save this also, get new advice, save this also. You can see here, try to save this. You can see here get new advice, save to favorite, get new advice, save to favorite, and go to the view favorite. Now we can see here the string advices. Okay, now we can see here the string advices. Okay, now we can see here the string advices. Okay, so just remove this still advices. We have a lot of elements. Still advices, we have 3 elements. Still advices, we have 2 elements. Now advice. Okay, because we have only one element. Okay, so see, boom. Okay, so let's just go to the back. Okay, so guys, this is it all about this session. Okay, I hope guys you have learned something good, something good, something awesome, something unique. Okay, from this video, from this session. And guys, if you still have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then guys do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to address it, I'll try to resolve it, and I will definitely guys try to give you the best possible solution to you as well. Okay, so if you guys feel you have learned something cool, something awesome, something unique from this video, from this session, then please guys, please, okay, do you like do subscribe to my this channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, and please, okay, do like my all videos. Okay, which will give me the confidence, which will give me the motivation to create awesome videos like this for you on each and every topic of web development and full stack development also. Please guys, okay, please, okay, do subscribe now my this channel Code with ER. Okay, so guys, let me just read something for you. I hope you will subscribe now. Okay, so let me just read something for you guys. Okay, so I'll just read this for you. Cancel. I'll just say here, hey everyone, I know I'm not here to create low grade, vulgar, obscene content just to get the subscribers. If that was the case, I'm sure some of you would have subscribed by now, but that's not my goal. Okay, my aim is to give back something meaningful and valuable to society through education and knowledge. If you believe in the power of learning and want to be part of this, okay, journey, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button for my YouTube channel Code with ER. I'm here to teach you and empower you with these skills that will last a lifetime. Okay, remember there are countless channels out there offering cheap, dirty, and harmful content to you, but here it's all about growth, learning, and becoming better versions of ourselves. Okay, if you have learned something today or found this session helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel Code with ER now. Your support means the world to me. At the end of the day, it's all in your hands. Okay, take care, and I'll see you in the next session. We have got some amazing stuff lined up for you. ER Prabhat Pandit, that's me. Okay, I hope you will subscribe now my channel and you will support me. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my content, for watching my video. Okay, and take care guys. Okay, and if you still have any doubt, any query, any feedback for my video, for my session, for my voice as well, do guys, okay, try to put it in the comment section below. I'll try to read it, and I'll try to definitely implement it okay, from my next session, from my next video. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my content, and thank you guys who has already subscribed to my channel Code with ER. Thank you guys, thanks a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. Okay, and thank you to also those guys who has not yet subscribed to my this channel Code with ER. Please guys, subscribe now, and please be the part of this dynamic and lovely community of mine on the channel Code with ER. Okay, on the YouTube. Okay, please guys, make this channel Code with ER a blockbuster channel on YouTube. Okay, I hope you will do that, and you will subscribe now my the channel Code with ER. You will press the bell icon also, and you will like this video as well. Okay, and please guys, do comment something, okay, what you have learned new, unique, and awesome from this video, from this session. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.